Hey everyone, Anatolii here. In our exploration today, we delve into a thought-provoking comparison made by Yann LeCun on 2024 Davos Forum. It's a comparison that illustrates not just the capacity of AI, but also incredible learning ability of humans, specifically children, and touches upon the current concerns many have about AI replacing jobs and companies over-relying on AI technology. Let's think about this. How much does a child learn by the time they are 4? LeCun presents an astounding figure. The amount of visual information a child absorbs through their eyes up until this age is immense. If you're trying to quantify it, consider the data streaming through the optical nerve, it sums up to an amount 50 times more than the data used to train the most sophisticated LLMs out there. This fact brings a fascinating perspective. Despite being fed data equivalent to decades of human experience, today's AI, including those advanced LLMs, still can match the understanding of a world that the 4-year-old possesses. This isn't just about processing data, it's about making sense of it in versatile, complex ways that AI currently can't. On to our first concern, the fear of losing jobs to AI. Understanding that a toddler has a richer grasp of the world that any AI can offer us some comfort. It reminds us that AI, for all its advancements, can't yet replicate the depth of human understanding, creativity, and empathy. Our unique human skills remain irreplaceable, and jobs that require these nuanced abilities are far from being overtaken by machines. As for a concern about companies over-relying on AI, LeCun's insights encourage a balanced approach. AI has immense potential to enhance our operations and decision-making, but it's not silver bullet. Recognizing AI's current limitations is crucial for leveraging its efficiency without sidelining the invaluable human judgment and creativity. LeCun's reflection on the gap between AI and human learning isn't a verdict but a beacon, guiding us towards a future where AI's development might one day bridge the divide. Yet, for now, it highlights the importance of combining AI's computational powers with human insights. This divide into comparison between child's learning capabilities and current state of AI sheds light on both the potential and limitation of these technologies. It's a reminder of the incredible journey AI is on, and the role we all play in shaping its path forward. Intrigued by fascinating intersections of AI development and human learning? Join the conversation below and like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Let's navigate the future of AI together. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.